रियासती दारुल हुकूमत बेंगलुरु के फ्रीडम पार्क में आज स्टूडेंट्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया (SFI) की जानिब से एहतिजाजी किसानों के साथ एकजुहती के तौर पर एहतिजाज किया गया। एहतिजाज करने वाले तलबा का कहना था कि काश्तकारी और किसान हिंदुस्तानी मईशत की रीढ़ की हड्डी हैं और मोदी हुकूमत उसे तोड़ने का काम कर रही है। इस मौके पर स्टूडेंट्स ने मोदी सरकार के किसानों के साथ रवैये को जाबिराना करार दिया और कहा कि मुल्क की पुलिस एहतिजाज करने वाले किसानों पर आंसू गैस और गोलियों की शेलिंग कर रही है। एहतिजाज करने वाले तलबा ने मरकजी हुकूमत से किसानों के मुतालबात पर फौरी तवज्जो देने और स्वामीनाथन कमीशन की रिपोर्ट को नाफिज करने पर जोर दिया और खबरदार किया कि बीजेपी हुकूमत की राम मंदिर की आड़ में किसानों समेत असल मसाइल से लोगों को हटाने की कोशिशें कामयाब नहीं होंगी और 2024 के इंतखाबात में लोग उसे इख्तिदार से बाहर कर देंगे।
What is happening right now is that in Delhi the farmers have come out and said that repealing the farm laws aren't enough. Their conditions haven't improved. They need guaranteed MSP. They need more rights. They deserve more rights, and they deserve loan waivers. And once they've put forth their demands and come to the streets, they have been met with brutal violence by the state police. They have been shot at by using rubber pellets. They've been tear gassed. So what we can see is that the Modi government is not willing to listen to the farmers. They don't even want the farmers to even cross the Delhi border and voice their demands. So we can see that the Modi government is an anti-people, anti-farmer, anti-student government, and we've come together here to raise our voice against the government.
There are almost 25,000 farmers who are going to the border, who are going towards Delhi. They are all around from Delhi only. They are from Uttar Pradesh and all. Those people are marching towards Delhi to fight for. They're all farmers. They're fighting for getting a very good price for their crops and all. But the government is stopping them. It's hurting them. We say the farmers are the backbone of our country. But the same government is hurting the farmers. They're breaking the backbone of our country. So when the government is not supporting, we students from Student Federation, as students, we are standing for the farmers.
What we are seeing today is that the central government has no excuse left when it has stripped every single strata of Indian society, be it from the students, the youth, to the workers, to the farmers. Today we are seeing that they have stripped every single strata of society of their basic rights, and today then they have no other basis left but to say that this is all politically motivated and this is some outside force that is coming in. We are today standing here in solidarity with our farmers because we believe that our farmers should not be treated like this simply for demanding their basic rights. They should not be shot at, they should not be tear gassed, drones should not be deployed on the farmers, because it is the toiling masses of our country who are the backbone of this India's economy that Modi likes to speak so much of. And today this is how they treat our annadatas, as they like to call them.
What BJP government thinks, who are all standing in the land, there are only farmers who are all came out for his problems. They are not farmers. They are actually misleading the overall protest. So overall, 25,000 plus farmers are protesting in the Delhi border. And the Modi and Modi government know what is the farmers' demand. They are actually demanding Swaminathan Commission's suggestions. The Narendra Modi government was misleading the protest, and Modi government always saying they are not farmers, but they are all farmers. They are all coming from Haryana, Punjab, and UP, and they are actually demanding their problems, what they are facing daily on basis.